How to turn off voicemail on your iPhone. First, open the phone app and try this method using the keypad. At the bottom right, tap keypad, then enter #002# and press call. After dialing, you'll see a message related to call forwarding. In most cases, voicemails are just calls being forwarded to your carrier's voicemail system. Using this method disables all call forwarding settings. Once that's done, dismiss the message and move on to the next step. Now, open Settings on your iPhone and scroll down to find Apps at the bottom. Tap on it, then scroll again until you see Phone and select it. Inside the phone settings, look for call forwarding and make sure it's turned off. If this setting is enabled, your calls might still be forwarded to a different voicemail, so disabling it is important. If these steps don't fully turn off your voicemail, you may need to check with your carrier. For example, if you use AT&T, you can search for AT&T Disable Voicemail to find instructions specific to your provider. The process is similar for Verizon, T-Mobile, Sprint, or any other carrier. Most of the time, you just need to log into your carrier's account, go to voicemail settings, and turn it off. Once disabled, callers will no longer be able to leave voicemails. Your phone will just ring until it stops. Hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports me. Thanks, everyone.